Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Butte State Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Butte State Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address BUTTEBANK and .com, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Butte State Bank over here. Now in order to log into your Butte State Bank account on your computer, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the place to enter your username and your password. Over here, enter your username which you had registered on Butte State Bank at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password over here. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Butte State Bank account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, click on the submit button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Butte Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Butte Bank account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.